What's the meaning of cheerfulness? Cheerfulness. Cheerfulness.
Cheerfulness. Cheerfulness. Cheerfulness refers to a state of being noticeably happy and optimistic. It is characterized by an outward display of joy, contentment, and positivity. Cheerful people tend to have a bright disposition and are often described as pleasant individuals to be around. They exhibit a sense of playfulness and lightheartedness, which can be infectious and uplifting for those around them. Overall, cheerfulness promotes a positive outlook on life and enhances one's overall well-being, leading to a happier and more fulfilling existence.